Okay, January is easy. Everyone wants to join a gym in January, but what about March, May, September? That's when most gyms struggle. The new year rush is gone and your sign ups drops to nothing. So Facebook ads fix that. 8 to 20 bucks per lead all year, not just January. And gym members are the best kind of repeat income. They pay you every month whether they show up or not. So let me show you the exact system to get 50 or more new members every month. So first of all, why Facebook and not just word of mouth? So, because people join a gym with their heart, not their head. Their head, not their head. Nobody wakes up and Googles gym near me for no reason. Something pushes them. So they saw an old photo, maybe their doctor said something, their clothes don't fit. That feeling is happening right now while they scroll Facebook. Your ad catches them in that moment. For example, a before and after photo, a real member story, an offer that makes it easy to start. They click, they sign up, and done. So the math is crazy. A gym member pays $40 to $80 a month. The average member stays 8 to 12 months. That's $320 to $960 for one $15 $15 lead. Some stay for years, so this is very powerful model. Okay, so now let's move for the offers. So we have three that fill gyms. So first, 7-day free trial, no card needed. For example, this is the easiest offer to say yes. People are scared of gym contracts. No card needed kills that fear. Once they come for 7 days and feel the vibe, they sign up. Okay, second, first month for just $1. Cancel anytime. So in this case, the member pays you $1 for the first month instead of full price. Sounds crazy, but it works. You give up the first month's money, but you get a member who stays 10 months on average. So you trade one cheap month for a $500 to $800 customer. Okay, and third, 6-week challenge, $99 starts, for example, 1st May this year. So this is the best converting offer for gyms. It's clear, it has a start date, it makes people act now. And people who finish a 6-week challenge almost always become full members because they are already in the habit. Okay. So now let's move to the ads. So we have 3 types of ads. First one, the before and after. So real member before photo and after photo. For example, Sarah lost 30 pounds in 4 months at ABC gym. So this is a real person, real result, and real gym. So this is your best ad. For example, ask your best members if you can use them. Most of them say yes. They are because they are proud of their progress. Okay, type number 2, the gym tour. Walk through your gym with your phone, show the equipment, show a class, show people working out and having fun. And yeah, this is what 6, for example, this is what 6 a.m. looks like at our gym. So it is 20 seconds. Add some music, energy, and make people think. For example, I want to be there. Okay, and type number 3, the coach talking. Your head trainer on camera, for example, hey, I'm Coach Mike. If you've been thinking about getting back in shape but don't know where to start, that's exactly what we do. 7-day free trial, no card needed, just click below. So it is 15 seconds, friendly, not scary, and that last part matters. Most people are scared of gyms. Okay, so run R3. The before and after proves it works. The tour shows the vibe, and the coach makes it feel human. Okay, so now let's move to campaign setup. So for objective, it will be we're still talking about meta ads, about Facebook ads. So objective, it will be leads, budget, 15 to 30 bucks a day. Members, it's worth 400 to 900 plus dollars. So even at $30 per day, you only need 2 sign ups a month to make money. So you will get way more. I think, mostly you will get way more than that. Okay, and targeting 5 to 10 mile radius, keep it tight, because nobody drives, for example, 40 minutes to a gym. Okay, and age 18 to 55 usually is the best for this industry. No interest, broad targeting is working better right now for meta ads, for Facebook ads. Okay, and one ad set, all 3 ads inside. Okay, so let's move to lead form. So lead form must have, for example, full name, first name, last name, phone number, email. Gyms need email to set people up, and for example, question, what's your fitness goal, with options: lose weight, build muscle, get healthier, group classes, and other. And of course, the best if you will add thank you screen with, for example, welcome, we will text you within 1 hour to set up your free trial. So this is warm, not salesy. They just made a big decision, so make them feel good about it. Okay, so now let's move to follow up, and then the thing that actually makes gyms money. So first of all, text within 1 hour. Something like, hey Sarah, welcome to ABC Gym. When would you like to come in for your free trial? We are open 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. So it is easy, friendly, and gives options. When they come in, don't just hand them a towel. Give them a tour, introduce them to a trainer, make them feel like they belong. because the first visit decides if they sign up or no. So you need to do this in a good way. Okay, but here is the real game. Keeping your members. Getting a new member costs you $15 to $20. Keeping a member costs you nothing. A gym that only thinks about sign-ups and forgets about keeping people is filling a bucket with a hole in the bottom. So check in after the first week. For example, text them, how was your first week? Any questions? So check in at 30 days, at 90 days, run members challenges, build a community, because the gyms that grow fastest aren't the ones with the most ads. They are the ones where members bring their friends. So Facebook ads open the front door, but community keeps them inside. So this is also very important for this industry. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. So number 1, strong trial offer. 7-day free, $1 first month, or 6-week challenge. Number 2, 3 ads. Before and after, gym tour and coach talking. Number 3, tight radius. Usually 5 to 10 miles is very good for this industry. Because nobody drives far for a gym. Number 4, text within 1 hour. Make the first visit feel welcoming. And number 5, keeping members wins. Check-ins, challenges, community, fix the leaky bucket. Okay, so let me know how many members does your gym have right now. Drop this number in the comments. And yeah, subscribe for more tips about paid ads. And so I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.